I'm Benjamin Hill with Mission Physical Therapy. When I worked in Kentucky in the Louisville area, I worked for a company that sponsored the National Multiple Sclerosis organization. We began to see a good number of patients who came in with multiple sclerosis. And we found time and again as they came in that they or their doctor had blamed their back pain, their neck pain, their knee pain, or whatever it was they were complaining about on their multiple sclerosis. And there's a problem with that. Multiple sclerosis, it causes the insulation of those nerves to thin and break down. That's one factor. Other factors that people have when they come in for different problems include their age, their weight, the body they're born with, or their genetics, their history that they've had. There's so many other factors. And you know, when we work with someone who has MS, or we work with somebody who's had a stroke, or we work with somebody who has Guillain-Barré, there are a lot of different unusual neurologic problems. Those are just factors that maybe make you, might predispose you to having some problems, but they are not the sole cause of your back pain or your neck pain and so forth. And the reason why it's so important to know that is because, you know, in the case of MS or in the case of arthritis, you look up on Dr. Google and you find out that there's no cure for those things yet discovered. And so people then begin to think that there's no cure for their pain. And that's a very hopeless situation to be in. And what I'm here to say is that there's a lot of hope for you, because that is just, again, it's just one factor. And as we worked with patients, going back to my experience in Kentucky, when we worked with patients who had MS, 6 weeks later, just like most other people, their back pain was gone. And of course, their MS wasn't gone, but the back pain was gone because, again, we didn't treat the MS. We treated their whole body just like we do anybody else, and they were relieved. So just keep that in mind as you're presented with a diagnosis. I'm Benjamin Hill with Mission Physical Therapy.